This is a brief introduction to how to Datamosh with Avidemux. And it's datamoshing or glitching, and you actually cause damage to the video file in order to create interesting effects. You do this by affecting the compression algorithms used in modern video compression software, and we also do it. Well, part of that is removing some iframes that contain the control data, and p-frames we don't delete, we add more of them. We copy and then paste in extra p-frames, which can cause smearing, and removing iframes can cause glitching. So it's a fairly basic editor, Avidemux, but its advantage here is that we can access the iframes and the p-frames in order to modify them or delete them. And quite a few tutorials claim you must use an earlier version of Avidemux called version 2.5.4, and I've not had a lot of success with that version, but the modern one I've had some interesting results, the latest version. So it seems less affected by, or little affected by, removing the iframes, but the earlier versions don't seem to work any better. I find that removing the iframes and then copying and pasting p-frames in combination can work quite well in this modern version. You might want to try the earlier version and removing the iframes to see how well that works. So with that one you just remove the iframes, but you need some good cut frames in there, some good jump frames for that to work properly. And if you don't remove the iframes but just you copy and paste the p-frames, you can get some dramatic smearing, and I show an example at the end of this video. Okay, we'll follow on with the rest of the video.